Today we're going to do a 20-minute calisthenics workout with pull-up bar for the upper body that you can do as a follow along with me. I'll include some beginner variations making use of a resistance band, and I'll be doing the full variations but pick the level that suits you. We're going to kick off this workout with a brief bodyweight warm-up consisting of 4 40-second intervals for just 1 round. Nice simple start. We're going to be circling the wrist 20 seconds one way and then 20 seconds back the other way. So we're going to be doing some exercises on the floor during this workout. So we'll be mixing in push and pull movements and also throwing some core in there also. And back the other way. Okay, moving on to some arm circles. Same again, doing 20 seconds forwards, 20 seconds backwards. Change in direction. Moving on to some inchworms now. So hinging at the hip, walking out, walking back to touch your toes, and then straight back out. You can do this on the flats of your palms. You'll see today I'm going to do a lot of the exercises on my knuckles. That's just because I find it more comfortable on my wrist, but most of them for you will probably be more comfortable just putting your palms flat on the floor. Try and keep pretty straight legs for this, getting the hamstrings lengthened out a bit, which will help with an ab exercise later. Okay, drop into the knees. We need to take your left arm, reach under, and then reach up. Take the right arm, reach under, reach up. You're gonna alternate. As you drop the arm under, we need to drop the shoulder and push and look up towards the ceiling. Okay, let's get ready for the workout. So if you're more of a beginner to intermediate, I recommend getting a band and then looping it around the pull-up bar like that, and just use the thickness that gives you the assistance needed. I'm going to take it off because I'm not going to use it for this, but I will pop up those variations with the bands to make it a bit easier for yourself. We're going to be doing 6 exercises, 30 on, 20 off, for 3 rounds. If you can't do the full 30 seconds, just do as many reps as you can. We're going to start with an overhand grip on the bar, doing as many pull-ups as you can do, with or without the band, in 30 seconds. So chin above the bar, and then lower and control to full extension. If you've got the band, I want you to try and keep the band as close to your body as you can throughout the whole rep. Great job. Okay, we're going to move on to some pike push-ups now. If you can't do a full pike push-up, feel free to do the negative only pike push-ups. So this is where the hamstring flexibility will come in useful that we got during the warm-up. So slowly lowering down. You should be able to look towards your toes the whole time. Making this more of a shoulder press, not a press up. Again, as you can see, I'm on my knuckles. That's just preference. Put your palms flat if you're more comfortable with it. Put a slight bend in the knees to keep a good length to the tailbone. Always finish your rep. Don't worry too much about the timer on these. Just get your rep complete under control. Okay, now we're going to hit the abs. We're going to do some hanging reverse crunch. Now, if you can, we're going to get knees to touch the triceps, but if not, just get your knees as high as you can. We're going to be low in control. If you need to gently touch your feet on the floor to stop your swing, that's fine. Make sure you're not bending the arms. Okay, back to a push exercise now. We're going to be doing a close grip push-up, so hands about shoulder width apart, elbows tucked. If you can't do a full push-up, just do the negative part only, resetting at the knees. So my elbows tucked in nice and tight. Glutes squeezed. Ribs drawn in, avoiding any overarching in the lower back. Okay, we're going to go for some chin-ups now. So we're going to turn the grip around, supinated, palms facing yourself. It's a slightly easier variation, but it is later in the sets. With or without the band. Low of control, full extension every time. So I'm getting about 6 reps done for myself. That'll give me a target for the next few rounds. But you're going to lie on your back now, hitting another core exercises with either a full or half hollow hold. You can start in a ball like this and then open out into that full or half hollow. A half hollow is the same, but just with one knee into the chest, and your lower back should stay in contact with the floor with your head and shoulder blades just off. Well done. It's fairly tough, quite advanced movements, so we've got a good rest time now. You need to rest properly when you're doing calisthenics workout. This is not a HIIT workout, this is a strength workout, so you need proper rest intervals in order to maintain quality movement. If you need to add another band to help you to finish those 30 seconds, feel free to do that. If not, shake your arms off, get ready to go. We're going for round 2 with those pull-ups. Seven reps for me. Definitely going to be tough to do the full 30 seconds on that final round. Get ready for those pike negatives or full pike push-ups Trying to make a shallow triangle shape between your hands and your forehead, hips nice and high. If you're looking to level up your training and experience significant strength development, try my Calisthenics Evolution Plan, available as a one-off ebook and also included in the TPT Studio members area via the workout plan section. The plan includes 4 meticulously crafted reps and set style calisthenics workouts for optimal strength development. Each exercise includes beginner, intermediate and advanced options with video demos, making it suitable for all abilities and giving you progressions to work up through. Check it out via the link in this video's description after your workout. If you're enjoying this, make sure you check out that calisthenics ebook that I've got, which I'll link in the description of this video.
And that's it. That's the workout complete. Let me know in the comments below, how did you find that and where in the world are you following along from? I really do love to hear that. Check out my calisthenics evolution plan, more of a sets and reps plan, linked in the description. If you've got more energy, why not continue to work out with me by either trying this workout here, or if you're ready to do a cool down, I'll link one here. See you in one of those two videos.